So we're going to do the walk right now to kind of emphasize and really fine tune it and how we want to approach it when we go from left to right and right to left. So the thing that I want to emphasize is the rolling ball and the leveraging. Okay? So we do the inside formula when we go to one side. The inside formula states that we take the energy followed by the gravity, which equals equilibrium. So if I'm 50-50, I do the inside formula, the mind takes the energy to one side. Now as I shift, that becomes gravity. And I maintain my equilibrium. Now, something goes down, something comes up. So it's kind of like this. Something is going down, something is leveraging up. You have to have that feeling, okay? So you don't just shift and then do this. Now there's separation. So you got to feel it goes to the right. As I sink, something goes down, something comes up. Now, ideally, you want it up because now you're in a single leg stance. But if the leg is not strong enough, then you're going to shake a little bit. And that's okay too, because that's part of the development. But if you really can't find the balance, then you put it like 1% touching the floor. That's okay too, okay? And then you build it up from there. Now, the key thing is, as I'm going down, I'm coming up, look at the rolling ball. The rolling ball becomes part of the pulley. When something goes down, something comes up, this rolling ball is doing this concurrently. It's really important, okay? I go down, and the rolling ball turns at the same time concurrently. Now, when I deliver it out, I don't step it out now. We gotta do it now. Watch carefully, okay? You see that? See? Yeah. When you do it like that, you're developing the quad to have power. You're developing the quad to have how to access this motion. Because you're always doing these motions in the Tai Chi form in everything we do. So the walk will teach you that if we do something over and over and over again. So again, we go to one side, something goes down, this turns, it pulls this one up by leveraging. Now when we step out, we don't step out physically. This leg is being delivered out by this leg, and then the rolling ball guides it out. And once you place it out, you're still on this back feet. And once you place it out, then you go forward. And then now you turn again the rolling ball. And when you bring it up, ideally, you don't want to slide to make a noise. You don't want to pick it up to do this. What you want to do is sink the energy, the gravity will follow. Now this leg, intelligence, will guide the back leg up. So you slide it up maybe like a half an inch off the floor if you can. Because if you make any type of sound, that's energy. It's taking it away from the front leg. So the front leg will just guide, see your song will just guide it coming up. Once you're here, right, what do you do now, Dora? You go down to guide the rolling ball to leverage this one up. And now you bring it back, you continue going down to turn the rolling ball to deliver it out. So it's that one down, one up, one down, one delivers out. So we're constantly doing that at all times. So this is a drill that I introduced today in the class, in the morning class. You guys can try it, okay? It's a little bit taxing and tiring, but it'll develop over time. So you start 50-50, inside formula, you go to one side. Now it's gravity, alignment, pressure, and you just do this drill. Bring it up, leverage it out, and then bring So you're developing the mobility and the agility of the rolling 8-ball. And you can feel it's done right because the energy is coming from the general, it guides it up to the commander. Now it becomes a rolling 8-ball. Okay, so I'll try that.